Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the fill color of shapes and components in your projects on Uizard. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your project, then navigate also to the screen here. For example, let me go with this screen here. We zoom in. So left click into the shape, or you may add one from the shapes tab here to the left. And then guys, let me just close that menu here. And then guys, what you want to do is click into the fill color here, right? And then you may go through these settings, right? So you may go through these colors here, for instance, project colors, monochrome, vibrant, and so on and so forth. But there's also the color picker here. And yeah, you may go through that palette here. And yeah, choose the color you would like to go with. Alternately, enter the hex color code here for the color, or use the color picker tool there. So let's copy, for example, the color of that logo here for the sake of this tutorial. Click into it and move the color picker over the given field here or area. Left click to apply the color code. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.